Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming license type and whether a network seat is available. This matters because permissions differ. Once done, collect the exact AD username and the machine name that will run Solidworks and decide the minimum write scope needed. Make sure to attach a brief justification and file examples. Then open an IT ticket or contact the license administrator immediately. Include license server name, serial, and the requested access level so they can map the user to the correct license group. You or the admin now apply permissions. Add the user to the Solidworks or CAD group on the license server and to the PDM group if used. Next, set NTFS permissions on shared project directories and PDM vault permissions for write, check-in, and checkout. Once applied, synchronize local Solidworks options and PDM client settings so paths and temporary directories match server expectations. Make sure to test by creating and saving a small assembly. This confirms both license. You finish by performing a full workflow. Create, save, check-in, and increment the version in PDM while observing behavior. Once done, verify that the license was checked out properly and review Windows Event Viewer or license server logs for any denied requests. If something goes wrong, first recheck group memberships and NTFS/PDM path mappings. Often the issue is a missing group or incorrect folder ACL. If still failing, escalate with logs and screenshots so admins can trace the deny.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.